안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I'm your Korean mentor. Today we will talk about Korean speech levels. The Korean speech levels are 7, but we will discuss formal or polite language and informal or casual language style. Korean for beginner. Lesson number 1. Korean speech levels. In this lesson, the first thing that we will learn is informal or casual language. Bummal, bummal. And the second one is formal or polite language. Jondetmal, jondetmal. So let's see some detail. The first one is informal or casual language. If you are addressing someone that is considered less than you in status, importance, age, etc. For example, an older brother speaking to his younger sibling. Then the informal noun and verb form is used. If an older brother speaking to his younger sibling, then informal or casual language style will be used. You can use this style for your known friends or any of known person who is less than you in status, importance, or age. The second one is formal or polite language. If you are addressing someone that is considered higher in status, importance, age, etc., for example, a son or daughter is speaking to his or her father or mother, then you must use special noun or verb ending to be respectful. For example, a son or daughter is speaking to his or her father or mother, then formal or polite language style will be used. You can use this style for your teacher in school or university or a boss in a company. There is more detail in formal or polite language style, but for beginner level it is enough that we are going to talk about. So let's see some examples so that you can understand this style easily. For example, if you want to say hi or hello in informal language style, then you will say annyeong, annyeong, annyeong. You can use this style with your known friend or any known person who is younger than you in age. And in formal language, you will say 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. You can use this language style where respect is required. If you want to say sit down in informal language style, you will say anja, anja. And in formal language style, you will say 안주세요, 안주세요. If you want to say it's fine or okay and no thanks, you will say in informal language style 괜찮아, 괜찮아. And in formal language style 괜찮아요, 괜찮아요. If you want to say why in informal language style, you will simply say 왜, 왜. And in formal language style, you will say 왜요, 왜요. If you want to say good night in informal language style, you will say 잘자, 잘자. 잘 mean well, cha mean sleep, sleep well, 잘자. And in formal language style, you will say 안녕히 주무세요, 안녕히 주무세요. So you can use formal or polite language style instead of informal or casual language style. But you can't use informal language style where formal language style is required. You will be considered as a rude person. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.